Did you know that the most dangerous kind of wisdom is the kind that looks like nothing at all? For 40 years, the old ferryman has crossed the same river. Warriors with blood still on their hands, saints who could not meet his eyes, criminals who laughed too loud, cowards who wept the whole way over. He never spoke unless spoken to. He never judged. He simply rode. On his final crossing, a young passenger leans forward. His voice is impatient, almost angry. "You have seen everything. What has it taught you?" The ferryman sets down his oar. He looks at the water for a long moment. Then he says, quietly, that everyone I carried believed their story was the only one that mattered, and every single one of them was wrong. The young man has no answer for that. The river does not care what you have done. It only asks whether you can be still enough to cross it. Withholding judgment is not weakness. It is the hardest discipline of all. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.